You're working hard to maintain a healthy and active lifestyle. You're eating right, exercising and keeping your body in motion. But when you go to work, it can be hard to keep your body as active as it needs to be when you're sitting all day. The solution? A sit-stand workstation from Fellows. By standing instead of sitting for just a few hours a day, you can reduce aches and pains, burn more calories and improve your overall health. Fellows sit-stand workstations are designed to make working better and feeling better absolutely effortless. They feature the quality and durability you'd expect from a Fellows product, with award-winning solutions that are tested to industry standards. Set up easily, with little to no assembly required. Just unpack, set up and get started. They're designed to be fully adjustable thanks to features like our patent-pending smooth lift technology and premium fully articulating arms. Fellows sit-stand workstations go beyond just adding movement to your day. They're designed to create a better, cleaner, clutter-free workspace with features like built-in wireless charging, USB ports, microban antibacterial protection, and integrated cable management. So stand up for a healthier way of working. Work better, feel better, effortlessly with a sit-stand workstation from Fellows.